Malaysia is called Semutar.
Semutar.
Semutar means to spin. So you take this, I give this to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So to protect you, you can use this as a headgear. You open it. Open it full.
Full?
Full, full. You use your left hand.
Cristopher, az minek a jele?
Az, mindjárt elmondom, ott van a papír hozzá. Excuse me.
Sure, sure. Take your time. Okay, you take with your left hand. Okay. You crumple it. Just your left hand. Just left hand. Just left. Until you have this. Good. Take with your right hand. Do this. No, where your hand? Where your hand? Put your hand on. Do this. You take your left hand. This one go up. Right here. This one goes like this. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Up here. Up here. Right there. There you go. Yeah. Okay, maybe we try with without your hand.
Yes,
first.
it's better.
Okay, one more time. Right hand. Up.
Up.
This one goes here. Turn around. Turn around. All the way around. All the way around. You take this all the way. Close this.
I have to practice it, but I have maybe almost.
This one, open it.
Thank you.
So Semutar. This is
Semutar.
to protect you. To use it as a weapon, take this.
Ah, I understand. Cool.
Yeah?
Really cool.
Try to punch me. No, try to punch me.
Okay. Wow, it's very cool. It's very cool.
So this is called the Semutar.
Oh, I have to learn to fight like this.
Yes, so it's very concealed weapon. So there's a few more ways. Down. This one, go here.
Cristopher,
this one here.
4000 darabja.
If you're sweating,
Yes, I understand.
yeah?
Up.
Come. I'll do it for you.
But strong. Up from back. Ah, okay.
Up, this one.
Up. Yes, up.
This one, this way. See, I'm spinning it. Smooth out.
My head is really little.
Up here. This one pull here. I spin around, spin around, spin around, spin around, spin around. And goes behind.
Igen. Thank you. Thank you, really thank you.
Okay.
But I want you to say, I don't give you a present because I wanted a present. From you, I give it from heart.
This is from my heart. This is to protect you.
You are my brother. I'm really sure you're my brother in heart. Really thank you.
Thank you very much. Now you look very good.
I let it on.
Yes. Okay.
And send you the video to me, please, okay?
Sure.
I will practice it until it's perfect.
Yes.
To bear it.
Yes. Thank you. Semutar with Cristopher.
Thank you very much for the showing this.
1, 2.